Everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday, and today I've got a quick GoPro tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to pair or connect your compatible Bluetooth headphones with your GoPro Hero 13 Black. It's really quite simple to set up, and this will allow you to listen to playback from footage you've recorded on your GoPro, or use the microphones from your headphones for recording video here on your GoPro Hero 13 Black. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So the first thing we need to do is figure out how to get our headphones or earbuds into pairing mode. And each set of headphones or earbuds will be slightly different. So you might need to do a quick Google search or check out the instructions for your headphones. These happen to be Sony ones. And to get these ones into pairing mode, I have to hold down the power button for about 5 seconds or so, and the light will start to blink. And on these Pixel Buds Pro, these ones I have to open the case with the earbuds in there. And then there's a little button here on the back that I hold down for about 5 seconds or so. And then the light will start to flash here on the front or blink, and then I know they're in pairing mode. So now jumping over to the GoPro Hero 13 Black, let's go ahead and turn it on here. So from the main screen here, we need to find the pair device settings. So we're going to swipe down from the top. You'll see the quick settings, and we're going to swipe from right to left. And right here it says pair device. So you can go ahead and tap on that. And your GoPro is going to start searching for your headphones or earbuds. So now is when we need to get our earbuds into pairing mode. So I'll do it with these Pixel Buds Pro. We'll open the lid there. And again, we'll hold down that button for a few seconds here on the back to get them into pairing mode. And that light starts flashing, and we'll see if it finds them there. There they are, the Pixel Buds Pro. So we'll go ahead and tap on the plus sign here to connect them. It's going to connect them. The writing turns blue. It says Ken's Pixel Buds Pro. And if I go out here, you can actually see that the microphones are working for recording. So let's go out and test that and see how they work. So I'm out here in the park and I've got my earbuds connected to my GoPro so I can listen to audio playback through my earbuds, or I can use them like a microphone, like what I'm doing right now, getting a little bit further distance from my GoPro to record audio. It's connected via Bluetooth. This is what it sounds like with my Pixel Buds Pro. So to remove your headphones or earbuds from the GoPro, again, just swipe down from the top, swipe from right to left. Now it says paired there, and it's searching for my headphones because they're not on. We'll tap on that again, and you'll see your headphones here, and there's a little garbage can off to the right that you can tap, which would remove them, and it just wants you to confirm that. And really, it's that simple to pair or connect your headphones or earbuds to your GoPro Hero 13 Black. I hope this video gave you value. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and remember to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.